Hi viewers, Asma is here on your art channel Virtuoso Palette. Well viewers, I have put the brakes on acrylic paintings for some period and about to give you demonstrations on sketching portraits with charcoal pencils and sticks. For the subject, I have chosen the masters of arts from different eras. So let's go to look, watch and observe.
Viewers, my second portrait in charcoal on Virtuoso Palette. I'm starting the sketch with the very basic lines for the placement of the face or features, just to establish the angles initially. Michelangelo, a sculptor, painter, and an architect, considered to be one of the greatest artists of the Renaissance. His work demonstrated a blend of psychological insight, physical realism, and intensity never seen before. Viewers, in charcoal, using thick and thin lines is an interesting idea. In charcoal, if every line has the same width or is drawn using the same exact pressure, it ends up looking like coloring book drawing and can come across as very monotonous and boring. Whereas using thick and thin lines in your drawing can make it a lot livelier. Another very interesting and enjoyable technique is that using the eraser, you can erase the part in your sketch or drawing where the light is hitting. I believe that I can never be able to portray such exceptional artist in a sketch. To be honest, it's just a humble effort and a tribute for Michelangelo, the artist who has put life in the ceiling of Sistine Chapel in the Vatican. Keep watching Virtuoso Palette for more legends in the world of arts.
Viewers, I can only make a wish that you enjoyed the new medium. Keep watching and sharing Virtuoso Palette with family and friends. Take care.